This is a breadboarded demonstration of a AC rectifier circuit. So over here I have 4 switches, and the opposite pairs will toggle the direction of the current. So if these 2 switches are closed, these 2 opposite ones, the current will flow this way into this branch, like so, and then out this branch like so, and back to the ground. If these 2 are turned on and these 2 are switched off, the current flows the other way, so it'll flow through here, and this will be the positive voltage, and then it comes back the other way, and then out this way, so this will become the negative. So by toggling these 2 switches, these 4 switches, by the opposite pairs, I can change the direction of the current in the secondary circuit. And as a demonstration of this, I've put 2 diodes, LEDs, in opposite direction to demonstrate current only flowing through one way. So that's why only one of them will ever light up if these switches are toggled. So here's an example. These 4 switches are the 4 switches in the diagram. So if I take the opposite ones, this bottom LED lights up, the top one does not. And if I click these 2, the top LED lights up, but the bottom one does not. So then, how does AC get turned back into DC? So no matter what configuration is being toggled, the LED over here should still light up somehow. And the way it does that is this 4 diode rectifier bridge, which corrects the direction of the current going into this final LED. And they're arranged in a way such that current will only ever flow one way through the LED. So for example, if this current was coming through here, it would come down here like this, and this is blocked, and it'll come up here and back into here like that. And then if it was the opposite way, if this buttons are toggled such that the current flows through this way, it'll come up here and it'll go to here because this way is blocked. Go to here and come down here, up here, and out this way. So no matter how the buttons are toggled, the direction of the current through this LED is always forward. So as you can see, this LED will light up regardless of how I toggle these 4 buttons. So if I press one way, oops, this one, yeah, lights up, and then I press the other way, this one lights up as well. One thing to note is that the diodes that I'm using are the IN4148, 1N4148. There's a measured 0.4 volt drop across this, which means that at any point of toggling the diodes, there's always 2 diodes in the way, so the voltage across the LED has to be minus 0.8 volts. This is actually different from textbook because PN junction diodes should have a 0.7 voltage drop, but I'm not measuring that on the oscilloscope. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe I'll find out in the future.